This video is part of a series from Apex Process Consultants that demonstrates a government loan underwriting application created using IBM Business Process Management, BPM, and Operational Decision Management, ODM, software. From our loan applications dashboard, let's look at the loan application that was deferred to see why. We expand the application information section and are presented with a failure report. Opening it, we find that this application was deferred because the loan amount did not fit into the required range. The minimum loan amount is $50,000. We return to the application form, go to Section 4, where we see the loan was requesting $49,500. We change that to $50,500, which meets the minimum threshold. We click Pre-Qualify and return to the application dashboard where we see our loan is no longer deferred. We can go back to the form and look at the application information findings and see that we are now eligible for our government underwriting submission. Now, let's change a successfully pre-qualified loan to show how information in the loan application is evaluated for compliance. We go to Section 4, we change this application to say that it's for an investment property and not a primary residence, and that the requester is not a U.S. citizen. Now, we resubmit the application. When we return to our dashboard, we see that the loan application has changed. It now has a case ID because it's been fully submitted and is now in a status of denied. If we review the application information, we see a failure report. The details show that non-citizens may only apply for primary residence underwriting. Because our program is developed using IBM BPM, we can always look at our business processes and see where we are within those processes. We start on the left. We bulk loaded our loan applications. The input data was checked for validity and was sent for pre-qualification. It passed pre-qualification, so we submitted for full application. In this case, we were not approved, so now we are in the review findings step. If we had been deferred, we would have gone into a deeper sub-process, which has its own set of activities and includes an optional activity for fraud review, which we will discuss in a later video. Apex Process Consultants. Don't try to catch up with your competition. Leave them behind.